May 2025 Park City Real Estate Market Update. What's really moving and what isn't moving? If you've been wondering what in the world is going on in the Park City real estate market, you are not alone. I had a crazy busy first quarter. And then all of a sudden, April hit, quarter two, crickets. All the buyers I've been talking to vanished, gone, disappeared. Where did everybody go? It's been a ghost town. You've all vanished. The good news is there's been some uptick in some like showings, more requests for showings, but not a lot of offers are rolling in. So it's an interesting market to say the least. At first, I thought maybe I'm the only one who's like a big loser right now. But after checking in with a lot of my colleagues and other agents, and we're kind of talking about our market versus the national headlines, I realized that I am not alone. And it's not just me, and it's happening across the board. But the full story is that the Park City market is way more nuanced than you even know. There are pockets that are absolutely on fire, pockets, neighborhoods, and price points that are on fire, taking off. And then there are other pockets that are like completely dead, literal ghost town. But today we're diving deep into what's selling and what's sitting and how you can win whether you're buying in Summit or Wasatch County. Redfin recently had a crazy headline that said there are 500,000 more sellers than buyers currently across the US. Scroll stopping headline. I even got a little caught up in that headline myself, and it sounds really grim, right? But here's the truth. All markets are local. So you need to know what's happening in the local market. If you're a seller, you need to know what's happening locally. If you're a buyer, you need to know what's happening locally in the market that you're buying in. If you don't know the market, then you need to call someone like me to help you. So what's happening in Florida or Texas or California or the Northeast is not necessarily what is happening here in Park City locally or even in Utah. Like what's happening in Salt Lake isn't really what's happening up here. We're different. We are more similar sister markets are like Vail, Aspen, Breckenridge, Telluride, Sun Valley. Like what are those guys seeing in their numbers? We're more similar to those ski towns. And we have way more cash buyers and less interest rate sensitivity in our market than Salt Lake does and then Heber does. So let's zoom into Summit County as a whole. There are 534 active listings, only 70 sold in May. The median active list price is $1.9 million, and the median sold price is 2. That gap is starting to close, and sellers are adjusting. New listings are coming in at 1.49 million, which tells me sellers are done with the aspirational pricing. They're starting to get more realistic. They want action. You as a seller, you want action. The absorption rate is 5.8 months. Maybe it's turning from a balanced market towards a buyer's market. And the sold to list price ratio is 95.6%. So what price brackets are moving? We have a very bifurcated market. The $1 million to $1.5 million is moving. The $1.5 million to $2 million is moving. The $2 million to 4.9, right under 5, is a snooze fest. And then the 5 million plus market is also moving. There were 18 sales last month in May in Summit County versus only 5 last May. Now let's jump into what's happening in the 84098, the Synderville Basin. There are 288 active listings, 115 new listings, and the new median list price, well, this is also dropping. So we're seeing a trend here. Sellers want action. The absorption rate is 5.93 months. So we are starting to tip towards buyer territory. Again, the hot price ranges, that $1 million to $2 million price bracket. That middle zone, which is like 2.5 to 4.9, again, like it's kind of sitting. But again, there are pockets that are hot. So I'm not saying that like all homes in that price range are sitting, but that seems to be the pocket that is a little stagnant. For the 84060, which is Park City proper, everything from the St. Mary's Church into town, 209 active listings. 52 new listings, 18 sold. Median sales price, $4.8 million. The absorption rate is 5 months, so we do have a balanced market in the 84060. The sold to list price is 93.8%. So that has dropped significantly since earlier months. What's moving in the 84060? The $3 to $4 million price range is moving, and the $5 million plus price range is moving in this area. And under 3 million, not a lot of movement. Now let's talk Canyons Village. I've been wanting to dive into Canyons Village a little bit because there's a lot of things happening over at Canyons Village, from the new parking garage to the new Pendry lift to them putting in kind of an amphitheater again. And Canyons Village is my backyard. So there are 86 listings, 23 new listings, and 10 that sold. The median list price is $840,000. The absorption rate is 8.9 months. That is a major buyer's market. And the sold to list price ratio is 95%. The median sales price is $1.825 million. So what is selling in this area is the $1 million to $2 million range again. And surprisingly, again, there were 3 sales over $5 million. Now, if you're looking for a new development in this area and you are that luxury buyer and you want furniture included and you want it completely turnkey, and I would definitely suggest reaching out to me so that I can share with you more about elevation at the canyons. They have 3 left and you will get to use the Hyatt's amenities. These are beautiful townhomes. They are very large and they come fully furnished, turnkey, ready for you to go. They're beautiful and they're modern and it's gated. So reach out if you want to know more about the elevation at the canyons and I can help you. Now let's dip our toes into Wasatch County. There are 495 active listings over here, 54 that sold. The new median list price is $1.19 million, and that was a big drop from $2.1 million. Absorption rate is 6.6 months, so we're headed towards a buyer's market as well. And the hot zones are that $1.5 million to $2.5 million price range and $500,000 to $600,000 price range. Now let's jump into Midway because I love Midway. Midway is one of my favorite areas. There are 78 active listings, only 7 sold last month. The absorption rate is 9.7 months. That is a major buyer's market. The median list price is $1,050,000 and the sold to list price ratio is 92%. So kind of low in Midway. And the hot price point in this area is $1 million to $1.5 million. There was only 1 sale above $5 million last month, and there were only 3 sales in all of Heber Valley last year over $5 million. The return of the luxury buyer. In May, we had 5 properties over $17 million sell. That is incredible. One of them was in Old Ranch Road, listed for $25 million, and the other 4 were in Canyons Village, specifically the Colony at White Pine. And the Colony had 4 high-end closings, including the second highest sale in Utah ever, which was a home listed for $50 million. Obviously, the price is undisclosed of what it sold for. So what do you need to know if you are a seller? If your home has been sitting for months, buyers see that as big time negotiation leverage. You cannot list outdated 2005 interiors and expect top dollar. Even minor updates like new floors, paint the entire thing, put in some new fixtures, new windows, new roof can tip the scale for you in your favor and get that property moving and grooving. And if you're trying to resell a newer home and you end up having to compete with the builder and the builder's inventory, you cannot price it above what the developer is asking. You just can't time the market. You sell when life tells you to sell, and you buy when your family needs it and your lifestyle demands it. So my job is to meet you where you are and help you navigate the market that we are currently experiencing and help you navigate it and plan strategy for how it's going to change along the way. I am not just your agent. I am a strategist. So whether you are buying or selling, I help you build the right plan for the season of life that you are currently in. If you are ready to explore your next move, or you just want to make sure you're not leaving money on the table, then please reach out to me. I would love to help you. Schedule a consultation below and let's strategize for your best outcome, whether that is this season or next season. And don't forget to check out some of my latest videos on Park City, the neighborhoods, and more Park City insights, as well as my 2025 seller guide. 4 tips that could save you thousands when you are thinking of selling. How to prep it, how to prepare it, how to present it.